Hey y'all, today I'm trying the DIY Avocado Deep Conditioner by All Natural GLO. And they sent me their heated cap to try, so I'll be using that later on. So I'm going to start by putting water in the Magic Bullet cup because avocados usually blend better when there's water in the cup with them. And then I'm going to get 3 avocados that are fresh and ripe and this nice greenish yellowish color, and I'm just gonna scoop the meat out and put it into the Magic Bullet blender cup. And yeah, so you want them to be this color. You don't want them to be brown. It shouldn't have any brown spots. Maybe one brown spot is fine, but I would just scoop that brown spot out and not put it in the blender cup. You just want some nice ripe fresh avocado meat in your blender cup, because remember, this is going into your hair, so you don't want any mold or brown spots going into your hair. So yeah, so this is the second one, and I'm making sure I'm scooping out the shells to get all of the avocado meat. I call it meat because that's what they call it, because it's the inside. And then I just put the shells and the seed in the garbage bag. And yeah, so then I'm gonna put on the lid after scooping out the last half, and you can tell this is plenty for me. And yeah, so then I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then put on the lid and then situate it on top of the Magic Bullet blender and let it rip. Now the avocados got stuck. I guess I needed more water, so just use your best judgment. I had to do this like 10 times. That I only showed you guys once, but like I lifted it up 10 times, and I think I had to add more water. So now I'm going to get out the nut milk bag, which is basically a strainer. It has very, very, very fine holes. It's kind of like a cheesecloth, or I don't know how you say that, chest cloth. And I prefer to use this because I can use the drawstring. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the avocado the blended avocado first, because that's the only thing that needs to be strained in this hair mask. And basically I'm straining to get rid of anything that would cause flakes or that would clump up in my hair. So this is definitely a necessary step for a DIY mask. And so you see, it just strains the avocado blend and just pulls out all of the creamy good part of the mask into the bowl, and then the rest is left over. It's really easy to clean. I just rinse it off with water, and that's it, and let it air dry. And now we're going to add some honey. I think there were measurements, but I don't think I followed them, so I just added what I thought was enough for my hair because of the length and density. And then I'm going to add my favorite oil, avocado oil, because I just love avocado oil in my hair. And then once that's done, I'm going to mix them all together, and I'm going to make sure they're mixed really well so that they just smooth right into my hair, and it's just nice and yummy for my hair. So now let's go upstairs to the shower and start the pre-poo. Hey y'all, so I finished the mask, so now I am just pre-pooing my hair. I'm just using a spray leave-in. That's usually what I would use spray leave-ins for, is for a pre-poo. And then I'm gonna use like a regular thick leave-in and smooth it on, cover all of my hair. And then I'm gonna use the Detangling Brush and detangle upwards. I just took my hair out of the crochet protective style, and my hair hasn't been washed for 2 weeks. So yeah, that's why I'm pre-pooing, just to add some oils back into my hair and to just make sure it's conditioned properly, because I don't want any breakage. So I'm using sections this size, bringing in my spray leave-in, using a thick leave-in and the brush. I'm detangling all the way up to my roots. So I finally finished detangling my hair. So I'm gonna take out all the twists. I'm gonna rinse it out first with some warm water and then apply the shampoo. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse with warm water and then apply my shampoo. So So I rinsed out my Prepoo concoction, I guess, and now I'm shampooing. I'm using the Twist shampoo, a favorite. I wouldn't suggest putting the shampoo on top of the Prepoo because it won't clean the way you want your hair to be clean. If you do, you might have to shampoo twice. So to avoid doing that, I just rinsed out the Prepoo first. I have a lot of stray hairs coming out. I had a lot when I pre-pooed, and that was because I skipped wash day for a week. I'm just pulling my fingers through, pulling out shedded hairs. My fingers are running right through my hair because it's detangled from the pre-poo. And I usually only pre-poo when I need to, especially since it takes up so much time on wash day. I think I need to trim soon. It's March now. This video won't be posted until April, but yeah, I'm gonna have to trim soon. So I'll include that in a video that'll probably post before this one. Yeah, I'm probably gonna trim the week I do my curly box braids. So yeah, that'll be posted in March. All right, so I'm gonna rinse this out with warm water and then we're gonna apply the mask. Okay, so I put my hair in my regular 1, 2, 3 sections, and I also applied it while it was over the tub to catch all the water. So now I'm just applying it to my hair, starting at the roots, and then I'm just going to rake it through. I love how frizz-free my hair is looking. We're gonna have some good results tomorrow. I can tell just based on how my hair is acting right now. So the mask is creamy. It's really easy to smooth through my hair and really easy to finger detangle with. It's clumping up my curls. The mask is a bit drippy, so I would suggest putting something down on the floor to catch the dripping from me applying it. It's not dripping off my hair, but it's lying as I put it on my hair. Okay, so I finished applying it. Then I applied a plastic shower cap and then a portable, rechargeable, heated cap. And I'm just gonna let this sit on my head for 10 minutes to make sure that the DIY mask soaks into my hair, and then I'm gonna come back. So this is how my hair is looking after I took the cap off. So now I'm gonna rinse it out with warm water, and yeah. So these are my curls after I rinsed out my DIY hair mask, and they look so good. So frizz-free almost and defined. So yeah, definitely try that mask if you'd like, and you would get some nice results like this, hopefully. So yeah, so now I'm gonna move on to using the Octo Curl. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.